Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Have you ever wondered why some investors seem to build wealth steadily year after year, while others are constantly chasing the next hot stock? The answer often comes down to one simple word: consistency. And surprisingly, one of the best teachers of consistency isn't a billionaire investor or a financial guru. It's an ETF called SCHD. Today, we're going to explore what SCHD can teach us about building long-term wealth, generating passive income, and avoiding the costly mistakes that derail so many investors. If you're serious about investing for the future, stick around because these lessons could completely change the way you think about growing your money. Hello, viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. What is SCHD? Before we dive into the lessons, let's quickly cover what SCHD is. SCHD stands for the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Its goal is simple: invest in high-quality American companies that have strong histories of paying and growing dividends. Instead of chasing speculative growth stocks, SCHD focuses on established businesses with strong cash flow, healthy balance sheets, and shareholder-friendly management. Companies commonly found among SCHD's top holdings include household names from sectors like healthcare, industrials, consumer goods, and financial services. But the real magic of SCHD isn't the companies it owns, it's the investing principles it represents. Lesson number 1. Wealth is built slowly. One of the biggest lessons SCHD teaches us is that wealth creation is often boring. Many investors want quick gains. They jump from stock to stock. They chase trending sectors. They buy whatever everyone on social media is talking about. SCHD takes the opposite approach. It focuses on companies that consistently earn profits, consistently generate cash, and consistently reward shareholders. This may not sound exciting, but history has shown that slow and steady often wins the race. Think about it this way: a tree doesn't grow overnight. It grows little by little every year. Your investment portfolio works the same way. The investors who stay patient and keep investing are often the ones who end up with the largest portfolios decades later. Consistency beats intensity. Lesson number 2. Dividends matter more than people think. Many investors underestimate the power of dividends. When a company pays dividends, it's sharing a portion of its profits with its shareholders. But here's where things get interesting. If you reinvest those dividends, you're buying more shares. Those additional shares generate even more dividends. Over time, this creates a powerful compounding effect. SCHD is a perfect example of this concept in action. Many of the companies within the ETF not only pay dividends, but regularly increase them. That means your income can grow over time without you needing to invest additional money. The lesson here is simple: don't ignore dividends. They can become a major source of total returns over the long run. Lesson number 3. Quality matters. SCHD doesn't simply buy companies because they have high dividend yields. Instead, it screens for quality. This is an important distinction. A high dividend yield can sometimes be a warning sign. A company may be struggling, causing its stock price to fall and its yield to appear attractive. SCHD looks beyond the headline numbers. It seeks businesses with strong financial health, consistent earnings, and sustainable dividend payments. This teaches us an important investing lesson: always prioritize quality over hype. A great company purchased at a reasonable valuation is often a better investment than a risky company promising extraordinary returns. Lesson number 4. Discipline beats emotion. One reason many investors underperform the market is emotional decision-making. When markets rise, investors become greedy. When markets fall, investors become fearful. SCHD follows a rules-based strategy. It doesn't panic during market downturns. It doesn't chase speculative trends. It sticks to its investment process. As individual investors, we can learn from this discipline. Rather than making decisions based on headlines or social media posts, we should focus on our long-term plan. Market volatility is normal. Temporary declines are normal. The key is staying invested and remaining disciplined. Consistency in behavior often matters more than finding the perfect investment. Lesson number 5. Income can provide confidence. One reason many investors love SCHD is the income it generates. When stock prices decline, seeing dividends continue to arrive can provide reassurance. Instead of focusing entirely on daily price movements, investors can focus on the growing stream of income their portfolio produces. This can make it easier to stay invested during difficult markets. Many retirees appreciate this aspect of SCHD because it provides cash flow without requiring them to sell shares constantly. The broader lesson is that building income streams can improve both financial stability and emotional confidence. Lesson number 6. Simplicity often wins. The investing industry loves complexity. New strategies, new products, new trends. Yet SCHD reminds us that simplicity can be incredibly powerful. A diversified portfolio of quality dividend-paying companies is not a revolutionary idea. In fact, it's quite simple. But simple doesn't mean ineffective. Some of the most successful investing strategies are surprisingly straightforward. The challenge isn't finding complicated solutions. The challenge is sticking with simple solutions long enough for them to work. Lesson number 7. Consistency creates freedom. Perhaps the most important lesson SCHD teaches is that financial freedom is rarely the result of a single investment. It's usually the result of consistent investing over many years. Consistent contributions, consistent reinvestment, consistent patience, consistent discipline. Whether you're investing $100 per month or $1,000 per month, consistency is what drives long-term results. The investors who keep showing up month after month and year after year often achieve outcomes that seem impossible to those looking for shortcuts. SCHD is essentially a reminder that successful investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about getting rich steadily. So, what can SCHD teach us about consistency? It teaches us that wealth is built gradually. It teaches us that dividends matter. It teaches us to prioritize quality. It teaches us to stay disciplined. It teaches us the value of simplicity. And most importantly, it teaches us that consistent actions produce extraordinary long-term results. While no ETF is perfect and no investment is guaranteed to succeed, SCHD serves as a powerful example of the principles that have helped investors build wealth for generations. If you found value in today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What lesson from SCHD resonates most with you? I'd love to hear your perspective. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The opinions expressed in this video are those of the creator and are subject to change without notice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.